Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to fix the application called McDonald's. If it does not open, does not work on your iPhone or iPad, and if you have any problems or errors with the application McDonald's, I will show you how to solve it. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, write in the comments and be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. The first way that you need to do if the application does not work. I press the icon, click Remove App, and uninstall this application. Then go to the Apple Store, find McDonald's, and reinstall. The second way, it's just go to the Apple Store and update this application. That is, instead of open you should have here, it says update click and it is updated. The third way, you lower the curtain. Press flight mode and wait for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, you turn it on. Then go to McDonald's, and you should be able to work and McDonald's should play for you. If this way also did not help you, then you need to go to Settings. Then you need to open the tab at the bottom General. iPhone storage here, find McDonald's. Here let's go through the list and try to find this application. And then we need to click Unload it. That is how we documents and all our data will remain. But the most important thing is that we unload this application and it will be deleted. It will be downloaded again, the cache will be cleared, it will be updated, and we will be able to use it safely as we used to use it before. Write to me if my solution helped you or not. Did you manage to do this? If there are any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.